Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I will be making restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Today we're going to be making us some barbecue chicken, and that's all we're going to be making. I'm going to have some sides. I'll show you how to make them sides later on through the course of our relationship. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be needing for these barbecue chicken. Is a whole cut up chicken. All right, I didn't cut it up, I bought it like that. All right, so I'll be showing you how to do that too someday. All right, it's some black pepper. I'm gonna be using a quarter teaspoon. All of it's gonna be pretty much a quarter teaspoon besides that right there, that's sazon. This granulated garlic, this perfect blend, what is that, sazon right there, and this is adobo, all purpose, and there's some sweet baby rays. All right, you're gonna be needing a pan, a little pan for it. You're gonna need some parchment paper and some foil, and I'll show you the chicken. There's the chickens. All right, so we're gonna hop right into it. I did the back side. I'm gonna do the back side first, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm kind of skeptical. This will be my first time really like using this on chicken, so I want to go with this, the adobo. Lightly season that. Got a nice little taste to it though. I tasted it with my finger just to make sure I do everything right for you guys. Here's some garlic, granulated garlic. I love garlic. Garlic is very healthy for you. So we season one side. That's black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on there. I have to turn it this way. Remember what I said, put it in your hands like this. Put it in your hands like that and grab your pinch and go up. Okay. You can do like the chef do like that if you want to. I'm trying to keep it simple. You guys see me cooking for real, like in the kitchen, y'all be like, oh my goodness, this dude don't be cooking like that in his kitchen. Because if I cook like that in this kitchen, then you guys will never get to hear me talk about any of this stuff. Because I don't talk when I cook, actually. I will take this perfect blend and put some of that on there. Make sure you wash your chicken off, player. Make sure you wash it off. Now, I know you guys are like, this dude gonna get us cholesterol, but I'm just gonna spray a little of this on there to make sure it stick on there. There's dust in it. It's that spray butter by Crisco. I ain't putting that much on it. Alright, so we're gonna flip this over. Just like that. Take this part, flip it over. Now you can leave your wings open or you can close them up. Just like that. Alright. Turn that. Turn that. Flip that. Try to leave some room for some air. We're gonna get some heat around everything. Alright, now I gotta wash my hands a little bit. I don't know why people don't never wash their hands when they get to messing with the meat. But that's them, I guess. You got to always wash your hands anytime you mess with any meat. It ain't got to just be chicken either. Okay, put this adobo on this side. Repeat the same process pretty much. People, you gotta remember when you see people cooking online and stuff like this, this is how they eat. Okay, now if you don't want a lot of stuff like that, then don't put it on your stuff, okay? I ain't trying to be rude and nothing like that, but that's just the truth. I ain't expecting you to eat exactly like I eat. But if you want to, I guarantee you it's good. I ain't never had any complaints. Okay? So we go with our Saison. Make sure you preheat your oven to like 400. This sucker. Like 400 degrees. Let me throw this a little bit Saison on there. Give it some color. They're gonna get some color anyway because I want to make sure it's gonna get some color. I believe that one, cheap. So yeah, this is all you're gonna do. Throw your little that on there. Okay, I think that should be it. And that's it. I'm gonna pop this bad boy in the oven for about an hour. We're gonna check on it and I'll show you how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and check on this chicken. Been a half an hour into it. We're gonna go ahead and check on it. Alright. It's a half an hour so far. So what we're gonna do here is just flip. Just gonna flip these bad boys over. Cook it for a half an hour on that side. And then I'm gonna finish it up on the other side. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and put the rest of this Saison on there. Back side. Okay. Appears to be all that. I'm gonna put too much of that stuff on there. Spray it down just a little bit more. I hate dry breast. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in for another half an hour and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. All we're gonna do here is put some of this barbecue sauce on this chicken. Just like this. See why I turned it over? Gonna need some more barbecue sauce. That's all you want to do. Alright. Now, I'm gonna flip this over. Just like that. Alright. So I'm gonna finish basting this side and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes and then I'll be done. Fill this back up. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here it is. Barbecue chicken with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. VEL, I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.